Keep it cool and crispy your knees, and the sun will shine another day for you. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost. This is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Force 107 LV8 in the D-Book colorway. Now this shoe is similar to the Air Max 1 Swiper, where Nike is giving younger athletes their own silhouette. With the Swiper, De'Aaron Fox got his own silhouette, and Jason Tatum is going to get his own colorway with the Air Max 97, and that's coming in the next week or so. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard Air Force 107 box, so it's black with the silver embossed logo, and the colorway is barely gray and moon particle. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly leather upper, but it does feature suede detailing on the shoe as well. Take a look at the toe. You got the moon particle toe box, and you got the moon particle toe cap, and both of them are in leather. And what's interesting about this shoe is that it's got peel away paint. I haven't seen anybody try it. I'm not quite sure, but I can kind of see where the detailing is, where you could probably peel away. I assume it's probably blue underneath it, because if you see, I don't know if it's gonna pick it up in the lining. So I assume under this baby bluish, sky bluish color is a more navy blue colorway as you start to wear it, similar to the LA to Chicago and NY to Paris Jordan 1s they released a couple weeks ago. And I like when Nike does that because it's different. Taking a look at the tongue, you've got the leather tongue, and you've got the player exclusive tag, which is usually as a size tag. It's actually on the tongue tag. And the details of it are basically details of Devin Booker. So it says made in Boss Point, size 14, and it says player exclusive on the bottom because of course this is supposed to be his own PE. Also surrounding the tongue, you've got gray suede, and it feels really nice. The insole is more of a royal blue, and it says signature style, always fresh, no socks allowed. And that's in reference to Devin Booker's style of having like a no sock. He wears no socks when he's off the court. On the court he wears a sock because obviously he's not trying to get blisters, but that's kind of like his thing, is wearing no socks. I guess. Also, the shoe comes with this hang tag that says D-Book on it. Moving towards the heel, you've got the leather panels, all in moon particle, and because it's the LV8, you got the little Nike swoosh here at the bottom. I'm not a fan of the little mini swoosh. This is a mainstay of the 07 LV8. Like I said, I'm still not used to it. I can care less. It seems so extra on this particular shoe. Also, you've got the Nike swoosh in moon particle, and you've got the two perforations of the Nike swoosh, which is good because if you're not wearing socks with these, you're gonna need your feet to breathe. For the heel, you've got the silver heel tab. And an interesting point is it says on the right shoe, no ma'am, no sir. And on the left shoe, it says yes ma'am. And that's just a little funny nod to Devin Booker. I guess it's also from his Moss Point hometown. The medial is identical to the lateral. So you've got the leather panels, all in moon particle. You don't have the extra Nike swoosh though, but you do have the regular Nike swoosh in moon particle also. And all of it is in leather. The midsole is white. And you've got the white Air Force 1 outsole. This is actually a really solid shoe. I'm actually a really big fan of the colorway. It's super clean, it's summer ready, and I don't know about wearing no socks. I'm not gonna wear no socks with a shoe. That's kind of nasty. I don't know. But I mean, that's Devin Booker, I guess. Overall, this is a really clean silhouette, and if you can find it, definitely pick it up. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Air Force One LV8 D book is now available at select Foot Locker retailers for a retail price of $100. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out thesolepost.com for more news, features, and purchase links for all the shoes we feature on the channel. Also, you can follow us everywhere at the Solepost. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.